Python. By looking at the below, we can more intuitively feel the gap, and the details will be shared at the end of the video. Workflow automation replaces manual clicks with Python scripts to trigger measurements and capture signals automatically, drastically increasing testing efficiency. Bypassing intermediate files streams data directly via net server to Python, eliminating slow CSV exports and accelerating data processing. Extreme stress testing enables long-term stability monitoring and tens of thousands of test cycles that are nearly impossible to perform manually. Precision timing analysis automatically calculates microsecond-level power sequences and performs intelligent decoding, error checking for I2C and SPI protocols. Ecosystem integration logs results into databases, generates automated reports, and seamlessly integrates into CI, continuous integration, pipelines. In embedded systems and IC design, the logic analyzer is essential for observing digital signal behavior. However, in traditional manual workflows, repetitively clicking Run, exporting CSVs, and performing analysis create significant bottlenecks during long-term stability testing, power sequence verification, or regression testing. By integrating Python with Zero+CP logic via the net server mechanism, engineers can programmatically control the instrument. The primary breakthrough is the ability to run measurements and read data directly into Python, bypassing the slow CSV export process. This transforms the logic analyzer from an isolated debugging tool into a data node who is in an automated CI verification pipeline. Leveraging Python's ecosystem, engineers can automatically decode complex protocols like SPI or I2C, detect timing anomalies, and generate instant test reports. Transitioning to an automated architecture minimizes human error and scales hardware. Allows verification for modern, complex R&D demands.
If you are interested in our products such as logic analyzers, protocols decoders, and help evaluating your device under test, please scan the QR code or click the link below for contacting us. See you around. Thanks.